If your corn plant's leaves are starting to turn yellow or brown from their tips, it can be from exposure to fluoride, chlorine, or boron. Excessive amount of these in tap water can accumulate in the plant tissues, causing toxic effects and manifest as discoloration at the leaf tips. To get rid of this problem, start using distilled or filtered water for watering. And you should be aware when to water your corn plants, so you don't suffocate them with water or let them leave thirsty asking for water. In both conditions, plant will turn its leaves yellow to shed them later for its survival. Over or underwatering can induce stress in plants, resulting in the yellowing of leaves. Dracaena fragrans thrive in soil that maintains a steady level of moisture without becoming excessively wet. During the active growth periods of spring and summer, it's recommended to water them when the soil has dried out by approximately 25% from the surface. During the dormant phase in winter, it's beneficial to allow the soil to dry out by around 50% before watering again. Ensuring proper drainage is crucial to prevent waterlogged roots, which can lead to root rot. Balance of watering and drainage helps maintain optimal soil conditions for corn plants, promoting healthy growth and minimizing the risk of leaf yellowing due to water-related stress factors. And nutrient deficiencies are common reasons why corn plants develop yellow leaves. Nitrogen is crucial for the production of chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color and is essential for photosynthesis. Without enough nitrogen, plants can't produce chlorophyll effectively, leading to yellowing leaves. And a lack of magnesium can cause chlorosis, where the leaves turn yellow while the veins remain green. This condition affects the plant's ability to produce food and grow properly. Iron plays a vital role in the plant's metabolic process. Without sufficient iron, plants may develop yellow leaves due to decreased chlorophyll synthesis. It's important to use a balanced fertilizer formulated for indoor plants. Such fertilizers contain a mix of essential nutrients, including nitrogen, magnesium, and iron in proportions that support healthy growth. Corn plants thrive in medium to bright indirect light. If they are placed in low light conditions for an extended period, their leaves may turn yellow. Ensure your plant is receiving adequate light, but avoid direct sunlight. And sudden changes in temperature, drafts, or exposure to cold air can stress the plant and cause yellowing of the leaves. Ensure your corn plant is kept away from cold drafts and try to maintain a stable temperature. Also inspect the plant for signs of pests such as spider mites or aphids, or for fungal infections. So check your plant carefully and you will definitely find the reason why the leaves are turning yellow. Keep all the aspects in mind that I explained in short. Hope you find this video useful. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplants care videos.